Welcome back, everybody. We are live for Power Hour. Let's go. Anyways, this morning went pretty good. We're up 405, as you can tell from my profit there. Don't know if I'm going to be taking any trades this Power Hour. I mean, we've just been selling. So there's line that I drew from this morning. I mean, gosh, look at that. It just practically turned into resistance, and then we just kept shooting down. But we are still bleeding out. So yeah, I mean, don't really know what you can do. Honestly, I should probably bring my mic a little bit closer to my mouth so you guys can hear me better. So what are we looking at here? Not really much going on. The market has just really been, man. Oh, my VWAP has popped up. Look at that. Sometimes it pops in, sometimes it doesn't. Kind of stupid, but it is what it is. The VWAP is way up there. So question now is, do we keep selling or do we go higher? I mean, honestly, since it is still just selling, probably could just get in short and pray. But that would honestly just be the stupid thing. So sitting back and relaxing. Let's go look at what ES is doing though. ES is about to break lows. 15-minute chart. Just ooh, that's just nasty. On the day though, we are. I mean, the lows right now this year are 16,458, about 500, 199, whatever around the area. I mean, the question now becomes, do we bounce off 18,000 tomorrow, chop down there, and then Friday we just rock it back up? Either way, that gap is going to get filled. If it's not this week, sometime down the road, it will get filled. So until then, we're just kind of chilling. what do we got? Do we form some bounce off here? Sorry guys, that's my roommate. Oh, what is this? 40. Do I take a gamble? And gamble to take a chance for the bounce off the lows? Something like this? Or is ES just gonna pummel through it? Ugh. But no, we won't. ES is falling pretty hard, so I don't know. Usually whenever it happens like this, market could just keep selling down. Let's see how ES reacts to this. ES broke new lows. Nasdaq is not following. Very interesting. On the minute chart, we are breaking down though, so ES is still just jaggering down. Oh, that's nasty. About 130 points away from 18,000. We could see 18,000 today, to be honest. Just another 130 points to the downside. The bulls are all gone. Bulls are dead. We're just falling down now. Put a buy order here if it wants to come back in and tag me in. I would not be mad. Yes, they're showing a little bit of weakness to the downside, so looking to see if I can play off this, bounce off this bottom here just very quick. There we go. Don't want to see it hanging down here too long. Just want to get it bump right back up pretty quick. Squeeze out some of the shorts down here. Kind of form another, some more chop up here. But I'm not looking to stay in this trade for too long. Just gonna try to scalp my way in here. In and out, in and out. Want to see this hang out at the bottom too long here. Grab the wrong mouse. There we go. Go ahead and squeeze that in. $100 right there. Goes a good out, and then it just keeps rocketing up. But like I said, I was not really looking forward to just holding on to that, just because we're just in such a heavy move to the downside. It's kind of kind of nasty, to be honest. I mean, we come back and chop up here, 18,200s. Got another 70 points back to the upside, but I'm happy with that little $100 winner. That's what I've been doing all day. It's just kind of taking small winners and not really much to hold on here. Because I mean, we're looking at just overall structure. It's literally, there's nothing over here to bounce off. Well, I take it back. I'm sorry. Maybe there is. So we have 18,000s basically. Get the little move right there. And yes, I know you can probably hear me clicking because I have I'm sorry guys, my mouse is literally right next to the mic. Kind of interested to see how this plays out, but we're all downhill, baby. There ain't nothing stopping the Bears. All the Bulls are doing is just giving ammo to the Bears. I wonder if this year is going to be a full-on bear year, where the market just keeps on tanking. Ooh, gosh, what the heck is that? I get out, and the market just rips up freaking 50 points. Either way, am I a little bit salty about this? Yeah, but I mean, to be honest, no, not really. I'm glad I took my profit here. Look, this is just out of the norm. I'm okay with my scalps, especially with this time of the day. Get in and out, make my money, then bounced out. Unfortunately, this is just it's an valuation account. I still have my other account that I'm waiting for money to be deducted from. So you know what? When you make money and you're about to get paid, don't go and unpay yourself. Now, that is not financial advice because this stream is for entertainment purposes only, not for financial advice. 90% of traders lose money, so trade at your own risk. But either way, I've done that before where I've unpaid myself. And kind of hurts when you do it. So I'm not going to make the mistake. I just wish that this prop firm I'm with would hire people so that everything can go back to normal. But they're just being slammed right now. They don't have enough manpower. Holy crap. I said the Bears coming through, and what happens? The Bulls just full on rip up. Gosh. Golly. This is not a small move either. This is 35. That's well over 50 points. Now over 60 points. Is this the chop zone where we hold off here and we head down, or do the bulls want to take it up a little bit further? What's it gonna be? Looks like I was right. Market is still going back up. That's tough. Man, this market is just, well, I say this market, but I mean, it's the end of power hour. What do you expect? It's passing out. Nope. The bears did not yet. I mean, the bulls did not yet. Oh my bear. Bear. Looking hindsight, shoulda, coulda, right? Shoulda, coulda, woulda. It shoulda just held. Because I'd be up 100 points right now. Dang. Talk about a recovery. Well, what a move from the freaking on the bottom. I literally caught the bottom. Got spooked out. That's okay. About 140 points to the upside. No answers. The bulls got tired of getting angled. So they're here to get revenge. 69. A little bit left to go. Come on, you've got a little bit of juice left in you, don't you? Attack me and then dip down. Again, once I get in, I'm just looking to scalp in and out. Quick scalps. Right, about to get tagged in here. If I don't get tagged in here, I'm going to cancel this trade. Oh, no way. Maybe there is still a way. Yeah. Well, there's unfortunate events. Came about point away from filling me in and didn't give it to me. We do have the algorithm coming up too, actually, so I think it was a blessing in disguise. Thank goodness. Let's see how these algo. Let's see how this algo candle at a 50. See how it reacts. Got about a minute left. I do want to go back in short because it's coming up to my entry, but here's the thing: is we have. Oh, my clock's turned up, but we have about 45 seconds so the 50 algorithm comes out. We'll see how that goes. It's gonna get worse if I do get in the movement. I got work. Got about 12 seconds here. Let's see how this 50 algo reacts to the market. Do we sell down and just pump 100 points to the downside, or nope? 300. The Bulls are definitely back in town. Dang. Everybody that well, if you're a Bull, I caught the bottom too earlier, but this is what they've been looking for all day. After Jerome spoke, it just went down, 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 and ooh. Well, not really much is gonna happen. There's no point just sitting here for the next 10 minutes. So with that being said, just wanted to make it a quick stream. So I made about a quick $100 on this afternoon session. If you tuned in, I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. I am trying to go live a little bit more often. Not that I'm a great trader or anything, but you know, come chill. Other than that, best of luck day trading if you're still gonna trade.